This is a public service announcement. If you are still building funnels manually inside of Go High Level or ClickFunnels or Kajabi, or even worse, you're paying somebody hundreds or thousands to build for you, it's time to stop because you now can build anything you want within minutes simply by prompting AI. Here's what I'm talking about. All you have to do here as the business owner is send the right prompts to a tool like Claude Code. It will then generate a line of code that you then just copy and then paste into Go High Level or wherever you host your funnels. It's that simple. However, the difference between those that get absolutely crap outputs and those that get really high converting strong funnels is the prompt strategy. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact strategic approach that I take, exactly how I prompt the models, and how I'm able to do this efficiently and pump out beautiful high converting funnels in under an hour. Let's jump in. All right, so the first thing people always ask me is what tools do I need? You just need either a ChatGPT or a Claude subscription. You could be fine on the Pro account or the Plus account. So it's going to cost you about $20 a month for these tools if you don't already have them, which most people already have one or both. If you don't, ask yourself this: is the $20 per month worth avoiding having to learn the entire clunky, ever-changing Go High Level funnel builder just to build something that doesn't look very good and then doesn't convert and just drive yourself crazy? I think so, but that's really a personal choice. So once you have a Claude or GPT account set up, then you can actually get into these prompts that I use to build this out. As I'm sure you're aware, you always get out of AI what you put into it. And this is the most crucial part. Before we even build anything, what we actually want to do is make sure that the AI understands everything it needs to know. Primarily, what type of funnel? What's the goal of the funnel? What is our brand? Who is our ideal customer profile? What is the problem that they have and the solution that we're selling, etc. So here's what I do is I use this tool that I built here. And if you want this tool, you can comment funnel down below and I'll send you the link to check it out. But essentially, it just programs all of this for us. So we're going to build a sales funnel for a low ticket product with an upsell, and we're going to build it on Claude Code and host it in High Level. What this now does is it generates this prompt for me, and this prompt is not even a build prompt. As you'll see when I go ahead and paste this into Claude, which this is the first thing that we'll run, it's actually a prompt to get the model to ask me questions. So it's an interview prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. And of course, it's taking into account everything I've answered up here. And what it's going to do is now ask me all of the questions it needs to get all of the information for all of these things and more. That way, when we actually get to the build, we know that we're going to get the best possible output. Listen, the worst thing you can do is be lazy here. The worst thing you can do is say, build a sales page for X product for this person, right? You need to get very granular. You need to make sure the model has enough context. And by saying, ask me all the questions you need until you have everything you need to give me the best output, we ensure that we get the best result. Now, one other thing here, depending on how you're building, this tool will also give you the layout based on your answers of all the pages that you need, like the skeleton or the shell for to put the code in. So if I'm on High Level, I'm just going to come in to set up a new funnel, and you can see all I've done is create new funnel step, and I haven't done anything here. These are all blank pages. These are just the shells that we will then paste the code that Claude gives us into, and all I had to do is just copy it directly from here based on the goal. So super, super easy. Now, once we actually have run that prompt and Claude rather has all of the info that it needs, then it will begin building. And you'll see that what it will do if you're building in something like Claude Code or High Level or Kajabi or anywhere that you need to actually paste in code is it will give you all of the code, which you will then just go ahead and copy. Now, all you have to do is then come into, let's say this was the sales page, our blank shell here in GHL, and we will click create from blank. And all we have to do now is get a code element and paste in the code. And you'll be shocked at how easy this is. So check this out. It's going to open up. You're just going to drag the code element. You're just going to click on it. You're just going to paste in the code from Claude. Click save, and of course you can publish it when you're ready, and click preview. And check this out. It's now built out this complete funnel based on what it asked us. And of course, you can do this for anything. You can do this for sales pages. You can do this for lead magnets. You can do it for webinars. You can do it for websites, whatever you want. Point being, let this be your PSA to understand that building incredible pages, funnels, whatever you need is as simple as getting the right prompts into the right model with the right frameworks and context. Now, again, if you want my tool here, comment funnel down below. I'll send you the link to check it out. In addition, it's going to show you exactly how to get this live. But I think most importantly, once your funnel is actually getting traffic, you need to make sense of it. So this actually gives you this pre-launch prompt for it to check everything based on your numbers. And additionally, it gives you all of the KPIs right here, so you know what you should be aiming for. And then again, we have a new conversion diagnostic prompt here, even more detail. So this is gonna paste in the numbers, tell me what's broken with my funnel, then give me suggestions, right? But point being, AI is your new funnel builder on demand. The only thing you have to know is how to do it right. If you want the complete guide, just comment funnel down below. I'll send you the link to check it out. If you have any questions, drop them down below. But please stop messing with manual funnel builders. You could probably spend 30 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on how fast you learn with AI and your familiarity right now, to learn how to do this. And then going forward, you'll be able to generate any website, any funnel, any asset you need in under an hour on demand. And then all you have to do to make edits is just prompts, updates, prompts. No more hiring anybody, no more messing with funnel builders. It's incredible. I would say it's been life-changing. That might be a little exaggeration, but it does feel that way because it saved me so much time. It made me so much more efficient. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Peace.